Hello guys, so welcome back to my channel. In today's video I want to quickly share another sharp update with you guys. So this update is about another cryptocurrency, a doge, called the doge token or the doge coin, as you all know. So this website that I'm about to show you, it's a site where you can multiply your dogecoin by earning 20% of your invested amount every single day. This is it. They have three plans: 20%, 700% after 30 days, 200,000, 200% after 60 days. But to go for the 20% daily, so that you have your steady withdrawal. So this is it. So far, this is my deposit amount, and this is my earnings. So far, this is my earning, this is my payout that I've received, and this is it. Let me show you the deposits into my crypto. So this is it. This is my Binance account already opened. So this is it. This is my Doge. I received this 3.75 today. It's a commission actually. This is it, 3.75. This 4.50 Doge is still processing. You can see 3.75 is paid. This is processing. 100 Doge. Sorry, this is their chatbot. So 100 Doge, 42 Doge. This is it. Doge, 100 Doge. This is it, 42 Doge. So as you can see, the platform pays. The platform is legit. So when you want to deposit, always make sure that your invested capital is sent to 20%. So you are subscribing for the 20% plan. You deposit, and you also, secondly, you make sure that your maximum deposit does not exceed, say, 50 Doge. A maximum deposit of 50 Doge. So anything below you can deposit, but anything above, I'll strongly choose not to deposit. If you do that, you are doing it at your own risk. So it's better you deposit your 50 Doge, 40 Doge, 30 Doge, and you keep accruing 20% daily. Please, another thing I want to share is the withdrawal. The withdrawal is automatic. So you guys should, once you deposit, when you want to deposit, you come here, you select your investment. So they have a series of coins that you can deposit from, but I'll advise you deposit Doge, since you are investing Doge, so you are getting Doge in return. So just deposit Doge. This is your Doge address. You copy this and you send your Doge to this address. And once that is done, once the transaction has been confirmed, it's going to show up here, and you receive your countdown. By countdown, okay, let me log into another account and show you what I mean briefly. So this is what I mean. Sorry, my network is a bit slow. So this is it. You can see this is investment. You can see the timer here is counting down. So this is an active investment. This is already closed. This is over. So this is an active investment. It's invested 30 Doge to earn 36. That's 20% fair amount. So you can see the countdown: 22 hours 49 minutes to go. So in the next 22, let me say approximately in the next 23 hours, this contract would have been ended, and the Doge is going to be sent automatically to your registered wallet address, and then you can now deposit, reinvest if you want to reinvest, or just keep your doge amount. So you can get your sign up link in the description box below. So don't forget to sign up and try it out, and always remember, invest only what you can afford to lose. So all investments are risk, so always invest what you can afford to lose, and you can thank me later. So that's going to be all for this section. Don't forget to like and share my videos with your friends, and hope you loved it. Subscribe to receive more updates like this, more ways to earn cryptocurrencies and other ways to become financially richer. So thank you and have a nice day.